Low enough. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Right, so yeah, today's I'm not sure what's going to happen today. My friend's still down. Gonna cook her breakfast when she gets up. I'm gonna go for a shower as well. And yeah, that's how it's sort of gonna go. Past vlogs haven't been up on time, and yesterday's wasn't very good, so you got to bear with me. It's more technical problems like charging and uploading than it is actually doing it. But yeah, sorry about that. And hopefully today will be better. Hopefully GoPro's on charge as well. So I've had a shower and I'm just finishing up this edit now. I'm going to try and get it posted. It's a day late, but bear with me. Hopefully I'll do a double upload today as well. So if I can get this one, I can get the next one up as well. But I am still editing, just they might not be uploaded on time. What can you do? So we're actually on, hopefully. Oh wait, that's disgusting. Yes, we're actually on. Waves look quite good. Gonna give it a good go. See what's what. Rock on. Let's do this. Too loopy in a minute, like you think it's going to go. It's annoying. So just in the club, I'm just having a drink and I'm gonna get some food in a minute. Knackered, surfing was good. Didn't really get on too much, got smashed around like an absolute whirlwind.
But yes, it was good. Battery's gone on the camera, so it's currently charging, and this is on my iPhone, so bear with me looking at the screen and not the actual camera. But yeah, good night so far and good day.
She said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they left out.
Right, so yeah, hang on one second, my shorts have been funny. So camera's all charged up. I'm gonna go shop, get some cookies, and then start the edit. Because the edit was terrible, but I'm gonna try and make it good because I got smashed around like in a tumble dryer. So hopefully you guys will find that funny watching me. But yeah, yeah, just gonna get some food, maybe some cookies, maybe some marshmallows. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna get. And yeah, so that's it. And then I'm gonna start the edit. Getting these two. Go set. This is how you make s'mores when you have no fire. Oh shit, it's on fire. That's real bad. Right guys, I'm off to bed. It's been a good day. Knackered. S'mores was beast. Cookies didn't work, but what can you do? Anyways, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.